McCarran's Airfield covers more than 2,500 acres and includes the runways, taxiways, and other exterior areas within the airport's fence line. An airport's airfield must be maintained and improved, just like roads and freeways. McCarran has a team of more than 25 workers responsible for the upkeep of this essential area. Runway markings and other airfield features must meet strict guidelines put in place by the FAA. Regular inspections ensure the airport is in compliance. Maintaining the safety and security of an airfield is a big job with many different tasks, from painting stripes and signs to repairing cracks or defects in asphalt and concrete, as well as patrolling the perimeter.
We're also responsible for all the fence line you see out here. So basically from where the aircraft are parked at in the gates all the way out to the fence. So total it's about 32 miles of runways and taxiways and about 10 miles of fence line.
With parts of the airfield always in use during projects, the Department of Aviation works closely with the Federal Aviation Administration to reduce potential impact on air traffic. Meetings are held regularly with members of the airfield maintenance team, the FAA, and other stakeholders to discuss current and future projects. The gatherings allow everyone to discuss logistics and plan for alternative arrangements during maintenance projects.
It's information sharing. Communications is critical as far as safety is concerned, and just everybody that's involved out on the airfield, we want to know there's no surprises.
Airfield maintenance workers use a variety of equipment like specialized surface grading vehicles, line painting machinery, and water trucks for dust control. They also have to work around a busy airport schedule, which means sometimes the work has to be done overnight. During the day, the harsh desert sun fades painted surfaces, so upkeep of the markings on the ramp, taxiways, and runways never ends. Rubber from aircraft tires builds up and can obscure white and yellow lines if left unattended. Workers use a high-pressure water and vacuum system to remove nearly 6,000 pounds of rubber each year.
The heavy equipment operators, you'll see them operating the rollers behind me, the graders. We have a big rig that we use to put paint down. We go through about 7,000 gallons of paint a year.
Dedicated upkeep of the airfield's facilities helps keep airport operations running smoothly and ultimately benefits our passengers.
And at the end of the day, we got the satisfaction of knowing that we had a direct contribution to the safety of those passengers.
As one of the busiest airports in the nation, McCarran has thousands of passengers arriving and departing each day, and our airfield maintenance department works tirelessly to ensure the airlines and our customers get where they need to go.